Yes, so for example, when you hear the neighbors and they make, they shout or whatever, or so,
Yes, yes,
or there's some loud noise.
yes.
So we can still take this as our object of meditation. So when, for example, we meditate on sound, and then maybe, there's like the noise of the AC, or there may be maybe a certain simple sound you can play on the computer, some waterfall,
Yes, yes, yes.
or maybe the bird noise, or whatever, some animal. Then maybe suddenly there will be your neighbor and shouting or something like that. And then we can recognize this, and then we can also move our attention and say, okay, now for some time, I will, because I cannot focus on something else, I will take this shouting or this other loud noise as my object of meditation, and stay with this and explore this. And maybe also, you can see how you feel to then maybe, for example, then maybe I would want to do maybe making some wish that, he will have understanding, or the person he's having an argument with, there will be some understanding. Maybe it could be making some good wishes or sending good energy or qualities. So this can also be helpful maybe for everyone. So including oneself, no, because we want, maybe that's also maybe a little bit difficult for us then to be focused. Yes.
Okay. So I need to learn that it's not something that make me annoyed.
Yes, exactly. So, and then, for example, maybe initially our reaction would be, oh, why is it happening now? I only have 10 minutes to do this meditation. We have all these thoughts, and it's so annoying. So then we just recognize these thoughts, we relax, we smile, and then we just be aware, okay, now there's annoyance. And then we can also try to be mindful about, if we are annoyed, what will happen? Okay, maybe I'm annoyed, I'm thinking in this way, maybe there's like certain emotions of annoyance, maybe certain body sensations, maybe there's tension in my body, maybe, I'm make a face like this, grim face, and then we recognize, okay, what does it mean? Like, what does it have, what effect does it have on me? And then we notice, okay, there's like resistance to the experience, and then we are caught there, and then we're not really relaxed anymore. Caught, like attention is, we are like stuck in the experience of this resisting to this, because we say, oh, I don't want this noise, I don't want to hear this shouting, and then this is the actual problem or difficulty. But then we can let go of this annoyance and this resistance, and then relax, and then say, okay, now I cannot change this.
Yes.
It's like it is, and I will take this situation as it is and make the best out of it, and take this, because it's such a dominant like experience in my awareness, that I will make this the object of my meditation.
Okay. Let's try that.
Yeah,
Yeah, but I understand what you mean.
yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yes, thank you.